Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we have to enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But let's be honest, if in your case this list is really long, then the manual removal or removing the data manually is a little bit not that efficient, I would say. So let's simply tap on clear browsing data, which is at the top. And here we've got kind of basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. So just tap on it and then tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.